Hey folks, Mike Klingensmith, All Seasons RV. Today I'm talking about the 2018 Open Range Light 312 BHS. This is a 3-slide out bunkhouse model. Has washer dryer prep, a big outside kitchen on it, a lot of big upgrades to it. So I'm going over this product. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at our dealership. Telephone number is 330-564-0222, or you can visit our website at www.asrvs.com. And again, my name is Mike Klingensmith. So a little bit about the Open Range product itself, go over a little construction of it. It is a true 4-season coach, 0 degree tested, and they had the best test results out of any manufacturer out there. So safe to say that this is a true 4-season coach. It has a one-piece PVC roofing material, which is a white membrane all the way through. You never have to recondition that roof. Also, the warranty on that roof is a lot better than your traditional rubber roof. So it's a 12-year warranty, and 10 years out of that 12 years is 100% prorated, which covers labor and any parts involved. Also, being a white membrane all the way through, it reflects heat 50% better than a rubber roof would. So on really hot, sunny days, it will stay a lot cooler inside. Also, they have changed the AC unit inside to a Dometic whisper air. So with that AC unit on, you won't even hear it running, which is another huge plus. So going over this entire product, you have all LED lights inside and out, a nice LED strip lighting up front, and on your power tongue jack, kind of light up when you're hitching up or detaching late at night, early in the morning, because typically that's when you're getting in or out of campgrounds. Comes with 2 30-pound propane tanks, which from our dealership, we will fill them, and we will give you a brand new 12-volt Deep Marine Cycle battery in a box as well up front. It has stabilizer jacks on all 4 corners. Just wanted to point that out, so we'll get all that shake and shimmy out of it. All these open ranges are pre-wired for solar panels. What I suggest is getting portable solar panels, not the ones that you put up top of your unit. This way you can actually put them out in the sun, depending where your campsite is. That is really good for dry camping or boondocking, as people call it. Basically, when you're off the grid, you don't have that power source on the side, and you need to keep that 12-volt battery up front charged. Hook up solar panels to this, and that's exactly what it'll do. It'll charge your battery up front. You have a full pass-through storage here on the front of the unit with a motion sensor light right there, which is LED, so it will light up the entire storage compartment all the way through. Has the frameless windows all the way around on this unit. Not only does it look good, doesn't leave those nasty black streaks like typical just normal windows on RVs do, because they have that plastic rubber trim around it. This, don't have to worry about that. Full power awning. Goes the full length of the outside exterior of the coach with a LED strip lighting right underneath of the awning itself. Will really lighten up the outside of here, outside space. So if you're eating outside or the kids are playing cornhole or something late at night, turn those LED lights on and it gives it a good pop, and you can actually see what you're doing. Has a friction hinge door, good up to 25 mile an hour, and it won't slam shut on you. I think a huge plus to these type of doors, friction hinge versus just the standard one, is there's no tab at the back to lock this door open. So if you forget that door is locked open and you grab a hold and go to shut it, usually you rip that tag off. This being a friction hinge door, you don't have that, so one less thing you have to worry about. Has the nice aluminum steps, super light, super sturdy, easy to put in and out. They won't stick on you, and again, they're super light. Gives a good look. Does have the grips on each of the steps, so it won't get slippery or anything on wet and cold, rainy days. Big oversized grab handle, get in and out. Move to the back of the unit. I'll show you the outside kitchen, which has the upgraded tin countertops to it, so it won't be the compressed wood anymore. So if this gets wet, you're not going to have to worry about this swelling up and replacing it and just being another headache. I mean, it is upgraded tin. So you have your 2-burner cooktop, your outside sink, which is already pre-plumbed to your gray tank, so you don't have to worry about a little drainage nozzle here and all the water kind of spitting out. And a nice mini fridge dorm fridge outside, keep all your beverages cold, or food, hot dogs, burgers, whatever you want to bring with you. Does have a 110 outlet plus your cable hookup out here. So if you wanted to bring a little TV outside and do a little entertaining, do all your hookups here. Another big plus to this 110 outlet outside is, say you want to hook up a little flat skillet out here, or a crock pot, and cook outside instead of inside and heating up the coach inside. Hook it right here, and to kind of get do cooking. Also will come with the grill on the back bumper. It's already fitted with the mount right here for the grill outside, which this unit from us will come with it. Has the universal docking station in the back, which is heated. So this has your outside shower hookup, and it will come with the spray nozzle and the hose. Has your city inlet and your city fill, and then a black tank flush as well to kind of get all that nasty smell and sediment out of your black tank. And again, has 3 slide outs. Now, Open Range has the deepest slide outs in the entire industry. So you're looking at about a 42-inch deep slide out here versus a 36 or a 38-inch slide out. Also, their frames are a bit wider than anybody else in the industry, so they truly will give you more room, more space at less weight. Let's go inside, take a look at the actual floor plan of this unit. Right off the bat, Open Range is the only one doing 0 carpet throughout their entire camper with a flush floor slide out. Now, they are the only ones doing the flush floor 0 carpet slide out. They have a patent pending on it. So no other company will you see something like this. And again, 0 carpet throughout the entire coach, which I think is a great, huge upgrade. You don't have to worry about spills, pets, kids spilling stuff. I mean, it happens, unfortunately. It has a big U-shaped lounge dinette with 2 portable tables. Usually we put the tables underneath. Perfect. And I will show you real quick how to set these tables up. It's real easy, real simple. And again, they store right underneath both sides of the U-shaped lounge. Also in here, what I'll show you is this will make into a queen-size bed. So additional sleeping. I know this is a bunkhouse model, and it offers a lot of sleeping space. But this is just one more spot to have a sleeper. And again, you have 2 of these portable tables. You can turn them sideways if you need to get in, if it gets a little tight. And again, setting up and tearing down is super easy. Takes 0 time at all. I mean, it's once you really know how to do it, it's real easy. Now I will show you the queen bed in here. Now these 3 cushions are Velcroed on, so just display wise, I'm not going to unvelcro them right now. But there's a metal bar right back here. There goes the cushions, and this flips all the way down. That, obviously, with the cushions off, will rest on the ground. Huge area back here. It will come with a blow-up air mattress, and that's where you would sit it. Also, under these spots, you have tons of storage under here and there, and there's a 110 outlet under this storage compartment. So additional blankets, pillows, anything that you'd probably use for this sleeper sofa right here, that would be a good spot to kind of put everything. Let me pop that back. Aren't these cushions fun? All right. Has your emergency exit window on both sides. Also has the pull-down blinds on here versus Venetian metal blinds or anything like that. So these blinds will pull all the way down, block out that early morning sun or late at night if you want a little privacy when you're going to bed. Obviously, you can pull the blinds down. Now with the Open Range Lite, what they've done, they've upgraded the countertops this year. They're no longer doing that compressed Formica boards. They're actually putting real Corian countertops in here. Real stainless steel appliances, so you have a pull-down residential spray nozzle. One big bowl residential stainless steel sink with a nice bamboo cutting board sink covers. Stainless steel inserts for your refrigerator, which is an oversized refrigerator. It's not your standard 6.3 cubic foot. And again, call us, see exactly what we have in stock, and we'll be more than happy to go over the options and how we've outfitted these, because there are a couple different options that you can get. Stainless steel microwave and also stainless steel oven. As you can see here, the TV comes up out of the countertop, which is right across from your seating area over here. Press of a button goes up and down. So again, if you're not watching TV and you just want more counter space, obviously you can put that TV all the way down and you have a huge spot for counter space. Tons of storage all the way around as well for cups, pots and pans drawer right below your oven, which I think that's a great little cabinet or drawer to have. A full wall storage here as well, kind of like a little pantry area or a liquor cabinet, however you want to use this storage compartment. Back in the back bunk area, you do have a real door. Close the kids off. No curtain, no accordion blind or anything. Has the dinette back here, so if the kids want to come back here and eat, or if they just wanted to sit back here and play games while adults have the adult time out in the living area or outside, they absolutely can do here. And again, you could shut the door and they'll kind of make noise back here and you won't hear them as bad. You have a top bunk. Let me unlock that. There we go. So top bunk with an actual window up top. And Joe, I want you to come in here and show them the size of these bunk mattresses. So these are double wide bunks up top and below. And they do have the teddy bear material on it, so they're real soft. You don't necessarily have to put sheets on here. You should if you want to keep this clean, but again, it's that really soft, nice teddy bear material. Also, you have a storage drawer right underneath for all their clothes. More storage to the side as well. Hanging wardrobe up top. And did you show them the ladder right here to get up and down on the bunks? Nice little vent back here because unfortunately sometimes kids can be a little smelly. So it's nice to have the windows open and pop the vent open, get good cross ventilation back there. Does have the fireplace in here as well. So late at night, early in the morning, this is an electric fireplace. So if you didn't want to run your propane furnace and you're on the campground's electric anyways, you can pump this guy on and it will radiate heat. Keep this entire coach nice and warm early in the morning, late at night, or if you just don't want to run your propane at all and just use your electric fireplace, that's why that's there. It does have a CD, DVD player, radio. Also, that is Bluetooth capable, so if you have Pandora or Spotify on your phone, you can pair it to that radio and play indoor or outdoor on the speakers, because this does have indoor and outdoor speakers on it. Going towards the front of the camper, you have your big spacious bathroom, huge stand-up glass surround shower with a little skylight up above. But this is again, you want that room, that arm space, or even the height out of it. I mean, this is definitely the coach for you with the nice amount of space in the shower. Also, the toilet, I love pointing this out. Real porcelain toilet, not a plastic toilet. Has a vanity mirror here, medicine cabinet with tons of storage in the back. Nice stainless steel sink as well in the bathroom. Has your vent and your fan up top. Obviously, I kicked that on. With that vent open, it really sucks the air out of here, or the smell, should I say, whatever you're doing in there, the steam. The bed back here is an actual queen mattress. It's 60 by 80, not a short RV queen, which is typically 60 by 74, 6 inches shorter than a traditional queen. So this is a real 60 by 80 queen size bed with a nice pillow top mattress, which is foam. Very comfortable. Also, on the side over here, I like to point out that this does have the laundry hamper chute on it. So if you wanted to stick a little laundry basket down there and didn't want all your dirty, stinky clothes in here, obviously you can pop this lid open, throw your clothes in there, and they're out of the way. You do have 110 outlets and a USB port back here for charging phones, tablets, 110 for CPAP machines or alarm clocks. Unfortunately, sometimes some people do need alarm clocks in the at campgrounds. Unfortunately, sometimes. Yeah, we'll look in here. This is where your washer dryer prep is. If you want, I could grab that. There we go. So you have washer dryer prep back here, hot and cold. 110 GFI back there. Also, if you didn't want the washer dryer, there is a hanging rod back here and a little shelf up top for hanging clothes or what have you. And again, if you wanted the washer dryer, please give us a call. I'll be more than happy to go over the options that we can do washer dryer wise and exactly cost and give you the whole price list. Under the bed, it does have full storage under here with the hydraulic struts on it, so you don't have to hold this bed up. It does it on its own. Back under here, this is where we'll keep the grill, the air mattress, other little odds and ends to this camper. And again, our dealership is All Seasons RV in Streetsboro, Ohio. That's Northeast Ohio. We're about 30 minutes from Cleveland. If you have any questions about this or want to know what else we have in stock or what we can get for you, please feel free to give us a call. Telephone number is 330-564-0222. And again, my name's Mike Klingentsmith. Thanks for watching. Enjoy camping.